Good morning, class. In continuation of chapter 3, Atoms and Molecules, I am going to explain you today Dalton's atomic theory. To start with, laws of chemical combinations were the experimental laws. The only logical explanation of the laws of chemical combination is that matter is made up of tiny particles which take place in chemical combination in a fixed whole number. These are called atoms. In attempt to explain the laws of chemical combination, Dalton put forward his atomic theory of matter. Dalton atomic theory was based on the laws of chemical combination. John Dalton presented his atomic theory to explain the properties of matter. Already you know that. What is matter? Matter is anything that occupies space and has weight. In 1808, Dalton presented his atomic theory to explain the properties of matter. Dalton atomic theory of matter became one of the foundation of modern chemistry. He was the first to calculate the masses of atom of several elements. Now proceed towards Dalton atomic theory. Various postulates of Dalton atomic theory are there, which are as follows. All matter is made up of small particles called atoms. Right? Already we know that matter is made up of small particles called atoms. So Dalton also said that all the matter is made up of small particles called atoms, and atoms cannot be divided, means they are indivisible particles. Atoms can neither be created or not destroyed in a chemical reaction. Already you have studied about law of conservation of mass. There are as many as kinds of atoms as are elements. All the atoms of elements are identical in every respect. Identical means the same, having the same mass, size, and chemical properties. Atoms of different elements differ in mass, size, and chemical properties. Means the atoms are different elements having a different mass, size, and chemical properties. The number and kind of atoms in given compound is fixed. During chemical combination, atoms of different elements combine in small whole number to form compounds. Now, according to Dalton atomic theory, all metals, whether solid, liquid or gas, are made up of tiny particles called atoms. See the figure. These are particles in solid, particles in liquid, particles in gas. These are the points Dalton said this. So these are the postulates of Dalton atomic theory about the properties of matter. Now, drawbacks of Dalton atomic theory. What is the meaning of drawbacks of Dalton atomic theory? Shortcomings. It is now known that some of the statements of Dalton atomic theory are not correct, which are as follows. According to Dalton atomic theory, Atoms cannot be divisible, but now it is known that atoms can be divided into subparticles like electrons, protons, or neutrons under special circumstances. According to Dalton atomic theory, all of all the atoms of an element have exactly the same mass, but now it is known as atoms of same elements can have different masses also in case of isotopes. Dalton atomic theory said the atoms of different elements have different masses, but now it is now known that atoms of different elements have same masses. So please children learn these all drawbacks of Dalton atomic theory. Thank you.